Welcome dear students of Standard 2 and 3. Today we will start with next operations in mathematics, that is multiplication. In Standard 1 and 2 you all have learnt about tables. Table of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Today we will start with introduction of multiplication. So let's start. The method of adding the same number to itself a number of times is called multiplication. Children, if you are adding a same number multiple times or many times, it is called as multiplication. To make our calculation easier and faster, we do multiplication. In other words, it is also called as repeated addition. Multiplication is also called as repeated addition. Now, here are some examples. In these examples, we will learn how to do multiplication through repeated addition. Let's take example 1. How many times 3 is there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many times 3 is there? 5 times. And what's the number? 3. So, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Clear? Let's take another example. How many times 5 is there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many times? 8 times. And what's the number? 5. So, 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. In this way, we have learnt how to do multiplication through repeated addition. The sign of multiplication is into. Here you can see that I have put a sign of into, means that I am multiplying these numbers. Clear till here? Today we will learn some multiplication facts. Let's take number 1. In any multiplication statement, example, where 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Here 2 is the multiplicand. Now what is multiplicand? Multiplicand is the number to be multiplied. I put a sign of into, means that I am multiplying this number. 5 is the multiplier. Multiplier is the number of times this multiplicand is to be multiplied. And 10 is the product or the answer obtained after multiplying this two number. Clear? Once again we will do this. 2 is the multiplicand, means the number to be multiplied. 5 is the multiplier, the number of times this multiplicand or this 2 is to be multiplied, and 10 is the product or answer. Number 2. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always equal to 0. Children, if you multiply any number with 0, the product is always equal to 0. Here you can see in this example that I have multiplied 65 into 0. The product is 0. It can be any number, like 5 into 0 will be 0, 8 into 0 will be 0, 10 into 0 will be 0. Any number, if you multiply by 0, the product is always equal to 0. Now let's take number 3. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the same as the number itself. Children, if you multiply any number with 1, the product is same as that of number. Here you can see that I have multiplied 14 into 1 and the product is same as that of number. That is 14. It can be 16 into 1 will be 16. 20 into 1 will be 20. Any number if you multiply by 1, the product is same as that of number. Now come number 4. If the order that are being multiplied is changed, the product does not change. Means children, if suppose this is the order 2 into 10 and if I change this order, it become 10 into 2. The product will remain unchanged. This 20 will remain unchanged. Even if you change its order, the product never changes. Clear? As you can see in this example, 2 into 10 is equal to 20 and I have changed its product. I have changed its order. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. The product remains unchanged. Both the product is 20. Here is also 20. Here is also 20 even if you are changing its order. Now let's do some example. Number 1. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Now identify what is the multiplicand here. 2. What's the multiplier? 9. Product 18. Very good. Let's do number 2. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Now what's the multiplicand here? 15. Multiplier 3 and the product is 45. See how simple it's. Now we will do horizontal and vertical method of multiplication. Children, this is the horizontal method. Means horizontal is the method in which it runs from left to right. As you can see in this horizontal method, I have written like this. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. And vertical method is written like this, which run from up to down in the page. See, I have written in this way. Horizontal, which runs from left to right, and vertical, which runs from up to down in the page. It is written like this. Clear? 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Now comes multiplication of two-digit number with single-digit number. Example is 54 into 2. Children, when you have to multiply two-digit number, you have to write tens and ones. Put the sign of into, write the number with which you are multiplying. Let's follow some certain steps. Step 1. Multiply the number in ones place by 2. This is the ones place. You have to multiply the number in ones place by 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. And here you have to write 2 into 4, 8. Now step 2. Multiply the number in tens place by 2 and write. This is the tens place. You have to multiply the number in tens place by 2. 2 into 5. This will be 2 5s are 10. Here you have to write 10. Okay. Now try for some more examples in your rough copy. This is 44 into 2, 32 into 3 and 40 into 4. Now comes multiplication of a three-digit number with a single-digit number. Children, when there is three-digit, you have to write 100, tens and ones. Write the number like I have written 1, 2, 1 according to their place. Put the sign of into and write the number with which you are multiplying. Let's do some steps. Step 1. Multiply the number in ones place by 4 and write. This is the ones place. You have to multiply the number in ones place by 4. 4 into 1 will be 4. Right here. 4. Now step 2. Multiply the number in tens place by 4. This is the tens place. You have to multiply the number in 10 place by 4. 4 twos are 8. Write here 8. Now step 3. Multiply the number in 100 place by 4. Now this is the 100 place. You have to multiply the number in 100 place by 4. 4 into 1 will be 4. Write here 4. So the result is 484. This is the result, 484. Clear? Now comes multiplication of a number by 10 and 100. This is an example, children. 7 into 10, I have written 70. 23 into 10 is equal to 230. When we multiply a number by 10, the product contains the number with 1 0 tagged at the right end. Children, if you multiply any number by 10, the product contains 1 0 which is tagged at the right end. Okay, like I have multiplied 7 into 10. So I have written 1 0 which is tagged at the right end. It is 70. Now come by 100. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 23 into 100 is equal to 2300. Thus, when we multiply the number by 100, the product contains the number with 2 0 tagged at the right end. Now, if I have multiplied the number with 100, the product contains 2 zeros. See, I have put 2 0. Why? Because I have multiplied the number with 100 and it is tagged at the right end. If you are multiplying the number by 10, it will be 1 0 which is tagged at the right end. And if I am multiplying the number with 100, it will be 2 0 which is tagged at the right end. Clear? Now comes multiplication of 2-digit number. Here is an example, 12 into 23. Write the number according to their place, 100, tens, ones. I have written 12. I have put the sign of into and I have written the number with which I am multiplying. Let's start stepwise. Now you have to multiply the number in one place by 3. This is the number. I am following step 1. So 3 twos are 6. Now you have to multiply the number in tens place by 3. 3 ones are 3. Here you have to put 0. And again I am multiplying the number by 2 in ones place. 2 twos are 4. Here I have written 4. And here is I am multiplying the number in tens place by 2. 2 ones are 2. And finally you have to add this 2. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 4 plus 3 will be 7. And this will be 2. Clear? So 276 will be the product or answer. Once again I will explain you. I have written the number according to their place. I have put the sign of into and I have written the number with which I am multiplying. Now first of all I will multiply in ones place. Okay, step 1. I have multiplied the number by 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. And step 2, I have multiplied 3 into 1 in tens place. 3 ones are 3. Again I have put a sign of 0. And the third step, I have multiplied the number in ones place by 2. 2 twos are 4. And in the fourth step, I have multiplied the number by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. And the last step, I have added this two numbers. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 3 plus 4 will be 7. And 2 I have written. After multiplying 12 into 23, I have got the product 276. Clear? Now comes multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Example is 123 into 24. I have written the number according to their place. I put 1000, 100, tens, ones. I have written the number 123. I have put the sign of into and I have written the number with which I am multiplying, that is 24. Let's do certain stepwise. Step 1. I have to multiply the number in ones place by 4. 4 threes are 12. 1 is carried on, which I will write in tens place. Second step, you have to multiply the number in tens place by 4. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 is there. You have to write 9. And the third, you have to multiply the number in 100 place by 4. 4 ones are 4. Clear the step? Now comes the next one. Next is you have to multiply the number in ones place by 2. 2 threes are 6. But before you will put 0 here. Okay? The next we will do again. 2 threes are 6. I have multiplied the number in ones place. Then I have multiplied the number in tens place. 2 twos are 4. Right here 4. And the third step will be I have to multiply the number in 100 place by 2. 2 ones are 2. And finally, I have to add this. 2 plus 0 will be 2. 9 plus 6 will be, count, it will be 15. 5 is there. And 1 is carried on, children. 4 plus 4 is 8. And the one which was carried, so it will be 9. And it will become 2. So, the product is 2952 after multiplying 123 into 24. Clear? Once again I'll explain this. Write the number according to their place. Put the sign of into. Write the number with which you are multiplying. Now step 1. You have to multiply the number in ones place by 4. 4 threes are 12. 2 I have written and 1 is carried on, which I have written in tens place. Next step, you have to multiply the number in tens place by 4. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, that is 9. Third step, you have to multiply the number by 4 in 100 place. 4 ones are 4. Clear? Next step, I have written 0 here. Then I have to multiply the number in ones place by 2. 3 twos are 6. I have to multiply the number 2 in tens place. That is 2 twos are 4. And the third is I have to multiply the number in 100 place by 2. 2 ones are 2. And finally I have to add this 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. I have written 5 and 1 was carried on. 4 plus 4 is 8 and the one which was carried, so it is 9 and this will be 2. Clear? So the answer is 2952. Now comes multiplication of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Write the number according to their place as I have written 1000, 100, tens, ones. I have written the number 2313. I put a sign of into and I have written the number with which I am multiplying with, like 3. Now the first step, you have to multiply the number in ones place. In ones place, I have to multiply the number by 3. 3 3s are 9. Next step is I have to multiply the number in tens place by 3. 3 ones are 3. Third step is I have to multiply the number in hundred place by 3. 3 3s are 9. And the last step is I have to multiply the number in thousand place by 3. 3 2s are 6. So the product or the result is 6939 I got after multiplying 2313 into 3. Once again I'll explain this. First step, I have written the number according to their place, 1000, 100, tens, ones. I put the sign of into and I've written the number with which I am multiplying with. Now, first is you have to multiply the number in ones place by 3. 3 3s are 9. I've written 9. The next step is you have to multiply the number in tens place by 3. 3 1s are 3. I've written 3 here. Third step is I have to multiply the number in hundred place by 3. 3 3s are 9. I have written 9. And the last step is I have to multiply the number in thousand place by 3. 3 2s are 6. So I got my result 6939. Clear? Children, you can go through the examples which is given in your book for more explanation. That's all for today, children. Thank you, class.